Welcome to Science Quiz. Irregular complex shapes found in hundreds of objects in nature, from clouds to coastlines, can possibly be explained by scientists on the basis of laboratory studies of D. Thermodynamic fluctuations. Nickel-Cadmium standard cell is referred to as a standard cell because it always gives C. Constant EMF in open circuit. Endoscopy, a technique used to explore the stomach or other inner parts of the body, is based on the phenomenon of A. Total internal reflection. Low temperatures find application in D. Space travel, magnetic levitation, and telemetry. A transformer B. is used to decrease or increase AC voltage. Electric current in a metal wire is due to the flow of A. Electrons. The potential energy of a spring is the minimum when it is C. as its natural length. A ball weighing 4 kilograms and moving with a velocity of 8 meters per second collides with a stationary ball of mass 12 kilograms. After the collision, the two balls move together. The final velocity is B. 2 meters per second. Surface tension arises out of B. Cohesive forces. When a mass is rotating in a plane about a fixed point, its angular momentum is directed along the D. axis of rotation. A beat of 10 Hz is heard when two tuning forks A and B are sounded together. If a small piece of wax is fixed on B, the beat frequently decreases. If A has a frequency of 200 Hz, then the frequency of B will be C. 210 Hz. The power of a convex lens having a focal length 25 centimeters will be C. plus 4D. The main difference between longitudinal and transverse waves is that C. Only the transverse waves can be polarized and not the longitudinal waves. A radio set operates at 12 volt DC. A step-down transformer with 18 turns in the secondary is used to bring the 220 volt input EMF down to 12 volt EMF. The AC EMF is then rectified by another circuit to obtain the desired 12 volt DC. The number of turns in the primary is C. 330. Beta rays emitted by a radioactive substance consist of C. Charged particles emitted by the nucleus. An oscillator is an electronic device which converts C. DC power into AC power. Radio waves, microwaves, infrared spectrum, ultraviolet rays, X-rays and gamma rays are classified as B. Electromagnetic waves. Light waves, A. Can travel in perfect vacuum. Which of the following waves will best penetrate fog or low cloud? A. Infrared. Polaroids are used to B. Avoid glare. The rays that are used in some medical applications and in sterilization processes are D. Ultraviolet rays. A monochromatic source is C. Sodium vapor light. The powerful source of ultraviolet radiation is D. Sun. The layer which is composed partly of electrons and positive ions is known as B. Ionosphere. The energy associated with each photon is D. HV.